What's the meaning of carob? Carob. Carob.
Carob. Carob. Carob refers to a type of evergreen tree that produces seed pods, which are commonly used as a substitute for chocolate due to their similar taste and texture. The carob tree is native to the Mediterranean region and is cultivated in other regions such as California and Australia. The seeds of the carob tree are also used to make a gum that is added to food products as a thickening agent or stabilizer. Overall, carob is a versatile and widely used ingredient in food production.